In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Powered by Shopify in Shopify Sense theme. If you're using the Sense theme and want a cleaner footer without the default Powered by Shopify line, the good news is you don't need to touch any code. We'll use Shopify's built-in language editor, which is both safe and update-resistant. Start in your Shopify admin. From the sidebar, go to Online Store, then choose Themes. Find your active Sense theme at the top of the page. On the right side of that theme, click the three-dot menu and select Edit Default Theme Content. You might know this area by its old name, Edit Languages, but the function is the same. This section controls the words and phrases your theme uses across the storefront. At the top of the editor, you'll see a search or filter box. Type the word Powered. This narrows the list to the exact fields you need. You should see a field labeled Powered by Shopify. Click into that field and delete the existing text. To prevent Shopify from automatically filling it back in, replace it with a single space or simply leave it blank if the editor allows it. If your store has a password-protected or coming soon page, you'll also see a field called Powered by Shopify HTML. Do the same thing there. Remove the text and add a single space, or leave it empty if possible. Once you've cleared those fields, click Save. Give your storefront a quick refresh to see the change take effect. The footer should no longer display the Powered by Shopify message. If you're previewing in a new tab, make sure you're looking at the live, active theme to confirm your updates. On password-protected storefronts, check the Coming Soon page as well to verify that the HTML version of the text is gone. This approach is the best practice because it edits your theme's content settings rather than the theme code. That means your changes are less likely to break, and they'll persist through most theme updates. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same fields and re-enter your preferred text. And if you still see the wording after saving, try a hard refresh of your browser or clear your cache to load the latest version of your storefront. That's it. With just a few clicks in the default theme content editor, you've removed the Powered by Shopify line from your Sense theme footer, keeping your brand front and center without any code.